Hi,
Hi.
how was your open house experience?
It was kind of fun.
Okay.
I loved it.
You loved it?
Yeah.
Let's see, which subject and about
My psychology.
psychology. Okay. And are you excited to visit Jump KTM?
Yeah, very much.
Okay. Okay. Have fun. Hi, how was your open house experience?
It was nice. I had a new experience in Thames International College.
Yeah.
I like pretty much.
Okay. So, are you excited to visit Jump KTM?
Yes, I am very excited to visit new places.
Yeah.
I would like to go to the Jump KTM and experience how it is.
Okay. Have fun. Hi.
Hello.
How was your open house experience?
It was good.
It was good. Let's see, which subject and about
Yeah,
BBA. So, how was it?
I found everything quite good.
Yeah.
The courses,
Yeah.
the fee structure was quite nice.
Okay. अनि यहाँ जम्प केटिएम गइराख्नु भएको छ अब
That was it.
Okay. Have fun.
Thank you.
Bye.